Okay, I'm finishing up on the left-hand ruddervator, and as you can see, the counterweights in and the control horns in on that side. I've got one hole left up drill. I thought I would show you that, and I have my lovely wife here to help me. So if you would come hold this deer. Say hi, Joanne. I didn't hear you. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't hear you, dear. Say hi, Joanne.
Hi, Joanne.
Okay, one last hole right here. No, I have two. Sorry, I have two. Hang on. Hold up. And you can see this nice mini head ACAT drill in action. So, a little bit of bow lube here to help that. And I have to use the long drill here to clear this control horn. Everything else I was using a shorter 1/2-inch bit. Ooh, man. Okay, see, it doesn't take anything at all to. Okay, that's all. Oh, more to come.